What is going on YouTube? It is Yachty Creations here, and in today's video I'm going to show you guys how to fix the sound issue that you're having in OBS where you're trying to play your game, and if you're streaming you can hear it on your stream. Like on Twitch you can hear it come back live, right? But after you're done streaming you don't hear any audio. Or when you're just regularly recording gameplay and you stop playing the game and you stop the gameplay recording and you go to watch the video back and there's no audio from the game, no audio from your mic, and you did all that through OBS. I'm going to show you how to fix that issue. So this is what you want to do, right? You're going to head over to your OBS. This is the screen you should see, right? You want to go into File, Settings, and then once you go into Settings, you want to go into, everything's grayed out, but you would go into Output, and then you go to where it says Recording. This is to fix the gameplay recording playback. I'm going to show you that one first. You want to make sure that you have your audio tracks that you want to play back in the recording. So 2 is checked off and 6 is checked off. 2 is my microphone audio. 6 is my game capture card audio. So make sure that you have your numbers checked off here, right? And this is for streaming audio track 1. So everything that is checked off in your audio settings right here in box 1 would essentially show and play back when you're streaming, right? Now when you're recording, this is the thing I want to tell y'all that did not work for me. I only had audio box 2 checked off in the output for the recording, and box 6 checked off for the gameplay recording, right? And that didn't quite really helped me because I couldn't get my mic to play back. My game was playing back at that point, but my microphone was not playing back until I checked off every single box in the advanced audio properties. Until I checked off every single box for the microphone, everything was playing back. But if it was just box 2 checked off, it wasn't playing back. And that's the weird part to me. I didn't understand that at all. I, for the life of me, could not figure out how to fix this issue. Right now, you're hearing me, and you're going to be hearing this too. Right here. All of that audio on top of me speaking right now. All of that, I could not get to work before. Initially, I couldn't get the capture card audio to play back, but my microphone audio was playing back. And that was a stressful thing to deal with within itself. And then when I fixed the gameplay audio playing back, I couldn't get my microphone's audio to play back. Anyway, it's fixed. So this is what you're hearing. I'm glad it's fixed. I figured it out, did a lot of YouTube researching, and I'm just here to bring peace of mind to you guys so you can fix the same issue that I've been having for a while. So that's pretty much it. This has been the video on how to fix the audio issue that you're having in OBS when it comes to gameplay, when it comes to microphone recording, and when it comes to both. So hope this video has helped you guys. Please like, comment, subscribe if you felt this video to be helpful, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.